Ever blessed travelers, welcome. Welcome to Clarendon, my people. Today's video will be coming from the green area of the parish council, Maypen. And as you know, Ever blessed will be traveling. We'll be walking today in and around Maypen and to see what Maypen will have to offer. I'm going to be asking a few more people to like, share and subscribe. Leave a sweet comment. Give me a feedback comment, my people, as to what you are seeing and what you'd like to see in the next video. Let's take a walk through Maypen. So my people, Maypen Parish Council Green here. And them have Kenan set up in this area. Pointing that way. We're walking through. So Ever blessed. We'll be walking through Maypen today, my people. I'm gonna encourage you to walk along with me. Let me show you what Maypen is looking like. This area. Sort it out. Put some water, put some light. Make it look interesting. So I think I'm done, my people. So you have a lot of trees. People cooling out here, there and everywhere. Yeah. I never bet to be walking through. There you go. Hey.
They get airport 3 days. 1 day, 1 trip. All come back here. Airport.
$1,000 get the checkers, $1,000 get the checkers, $1,000 get the checkers, $1,000. Then can get their $1,000, then can get their $1,000, then can get their $1,000,
So the walk continues, my people, in Maypen, Clarendon, Glenmore High School, white and burgundy. One way. Glenmore you go? Glenmore best school in Clarendon? Eh? You don't know if your school is best school in Clarendon? I thought you'd say yes. Sorry, don't get big people. The wall reef for them. So this street is called Friendly Avenue, my people, so we're walking through and to see where Friendly Avenue will take us. Alright. Busy town of Maypen, my people. Yeah.
Phones, computers, and the tablets, and guess what? We stock all the parts and accessories. Prestige phone and accessories. We sell items such as phone, tablets, phone cases, wireless mouse, keyboard, gaming headsets, gaming mouse,
Biryani? People, we're in a Jamaican town, where the body's the entertainer in a Jamaican town, the people. Him sell jelly, and him say, if you're bad man, we're going to weed them out.
Ever blessed.
Speak of yourself, Meji.
Ever blessed TV.
Yeah, we change the travels. We traveling. So Ever blessed travels. The man say, all bad mind, him a weed them out. So many people. We are back. As I said, we are in Jamaica. Didn't mind not camera, Meji? Alright, cool. You know what the man, you know the man that one bad artist and a high talent. Alright. In the meantime, I chop the jelly them, he's supposed to have bust through and a bust himself. Alright. That's how I think of
I have a responsible career.
Jano?
Yeah, man, I have a responsible.
Yeah. The sale is on my people and we are showcase the young entrepreneur in the town. Yeah man, my people in a previous video, he say hard bad mind, I'm going to weed them out. You have to remind my line, MG, for me figure you know.
Freedom.
Alright.
All when you don't see them.
Alright.
Freedom. What you say you want, baby? Or half dozen. See it, natural coconut water.
Right
look
away.
on her. Every day she comes for a half dozen coconut water.
So that's why she stays so clean.
See it clean.
Alright.
You don't drink water.
Right, which is right. Ever blessed travels, my princess. Yeah man.
Ever blessed TV.
So you want big up your jelly man? Me not hear you. Oh, you feel jelly me? So I want to satisfy you.
Yeah, all milk.
The people, you see the amount of she buy, that means jelly man not tell a lie.
We got matches today. We got matches today because we want to see Messi.
So many people see a satisfy jelly purchase today. You buy from the man who say pre them. All when we not see them.
Yeah man, look at it.
Yeah man, that's how things come down my people. So we're walking through. And we are walk through my people and we interact with everyone that humanly possible. Yeah man, without fear. Yeah man, we're doing it. That's how things come down. Jelly man. Some people, a jelly water for Ever Blessed Travels. And it's sponsored by Jellyman today. So that I show you say, man no joke. The main as me give me a crack off my head there. Lick off your head to me there. See how you lick off your head to me people.
Yeah, man,
So that means saying well sealed, see that?
Seal.
No joke, no any of that.
No dirty buckle, no dirty buckle.
See it.
You understand? We
And
don't
we-
exactly.
I see things come down my people. Jelly water from the jelly man.
Natural, no preservative, no sugar, no glucose.
You're not talking to you, just throw sugar in there.
Hold on. Man, they look up my hand, you know.
You throw sugar in there, G.
No sugar.
So it's sweet.
No sugar. Right. We buckle them, let's see. Come with nice, clean buckle them and funnel and everything.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And a right pan spot so you do all of
Yeah man, right pan spot. And try our best to clean up the place as
clean environment same time.
Try to work with us. Get within them. Clean up and
Man say official jelly water, no hassle, no tussle. Get yourself quench your thirst, quench in the day.
yeah, man. And we have a new one, you know. The new one is juggle, me sell jelly juice, me no dribble no ball and salad no youth, and me non stop juggle and mind for me youth, and me don't want another boy, mind for me youth, so juggle, me sell jelly juice. Ever bless.
Traveling, no joke. See them, my people no hear it. But about artists in American town. This is good. That's it. Big up yourself. Ever blessed travelers, you know? We're traveling around. This is good. This is good. So many people. Yeah, remember call everybody I call Jellyman. Jellyman this one, Jellyman this one, Jellyman this. I want Jellyman the people. And I him say breathe them. All when you not see them. See it. You see the happy customer and my people. All when the water don't know what I think still a drain it, I check say more still in it. Look like I forgot buy another one, G. That's why I think come down my people. My people have been in and around, showing you beautiful things and places. And when the princess them show up in my camera, we say, oh, your man right away. So I think come down my people. Yeah, man.
You're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for.
Yeah, let's not people. We're here. Let's feel it. Go on. sir, but I'm asking if you want to be on. I only people who want to be. All right. Take a good look, my people. See what Maple have to offer. Beautiful. Yeah, man. KFC. Yeah. So let's walk through, my people.
You can get some over here, go bad driving now, Come here, gone.
So my people. I have to cool myself down with another jelly one. Yeah, man. So I'm going to jelly man there. Jelly man say, the jelly man will say my pre there. All I want pre him. Yeah, man. So my people. You see my people? I pre them, nothing on the deal.
Careful. $2,000 for pro wax and now be careful. Finance minister said $2,000.
You save up for 2,000.
I can't even insure it.
Can't cover it.
Right now, insure one pro wax over there, I'm paying $68,000. So $72,000 can't buy, can't finance one pro wax. Then we talk about driving. Now we talk about. I saw we live. That's a lie. I don't believe what you say a while ago. Check me out. What? Oh!
Some of people,
my friend.
we wear the jelly mat there, and the jelly man and in front of them are all vibes.
Yeah,
so we just go on easy. That's one lady, you see she dives on our jelly people.
I
tell them, if they give you full support. This is bigger than TikTok.
I really think, man, you've been all over the world, man. Yeah, man, I'm all over the world.
Some people listen.
England and me I travel without visa.
Yeah. And without plane.
You say you don't need visa. You just go
so we just show it. You see a lady enjoy our jelly people.
I'm going to link to the Prime Minister.
Yeah, man, can't see such a enjoy it out. Yeah. Yeah.
What go on? Which one are we? How come you call a black man grey? How come you call a black man grey? I'm me grey. I'm me grey,
yeah. As I think come down, my people. As I think come down, you see.
You are a general. You are a general.
Who the man there?
Yeah, man, I'm a general. Original.
Where is it? You have to come good enough, come good enough. You have a selector, me a DJ, me a singer, me a gallist. So be careful how you think me have style, and then style you can't spoil, because they make by me.
No, come here, my brother. Come here. Yeah.
Full of vibes. You have to come for the
You have to come here. You have to come. Come here. So wait. No man, if you are DJ, go right. If you are go DJ, right? This DJ right, this is my brother. DJ right, this one. You never can tell where producer. You know part the producer. You know the producer go sit down on my foot now. Go this on my tree and bus one. Bus one is a favor.
Driving a car, truck, bus, everything.
Alright, fly one for me.
Only plane me not fly.
Alright, fly one for me then.
No, me not fly. You not fly by night. I'm
I feel like more fight somebody you see, man. Feel like more fight somebody.
No man, just sing a song, man. No man, I cut now, is it?
Yeah, cut man. But make sure it's not run.
Alright, because it's the same way. I don't know why you hide it.
You know, say,
You say never travel it. You man say never foreign.
my laptop.
Never travel it.
One little something I have. That's my journal. It's spelling for the password. Just 2 letters. Because we think
It could have been 1 letter too.
yeah.
You don't need to.
Because I just, you know, man, I want a meditation. I'm just going and just write.
What is it?
My brother spell my name. My brother spell my name. Such a way that I understand how I spell it. Because I know so many names there. Spoil up my name. Pet name. Spoil up my pet name. You just dip on that, you just do that thing, man.
That's what I think come down.
Tell us just say your name is spelling at first, please.
Alright.
God.
Eh?
You say man spoil up your name.
Yeah,
Who tell you that the way it was spelled before was the correct way of spelling it?
Yeah. It's spelled B-A-B-Z-Y. I don't know, say it. I'm a meeting for the work. Pass it. For the work. Better card.
Why Jamaica? Yeah, they have to stadium to blow. And Cavalier do it. Eh? Are they at Jamaica now? No. Yeah, I right. I right playing the kitchen last time.
So you give it freedom again. Freedom can't too much, you know?
Yeah man, freedom can't tell me. You know how we know fire?
Yeah.
Freedom. All when we no see them. Freedom. Although our real friend. Freedom. You know what?
Right.
Me granny say, me fi free them out. And make sure say me bunny demon out. In a east, west, north and south. Lord got them there all bout. So me pray with the inner out. Me no fear them word them out. Guide me, Father, and protect me. None of them can come wreck me. Cause we just free them. All when you no see them. Free them. Although our real friend. Yeah.
Take up a jelly.
Yeah man. And you don't know, it's after we don't free them.
What for your daughter?
We make them know this. You're a widow.
It's an head with brat.
I knew release this. Juggle and me sell jelly juice me no dribble no ball and salad no youth and me not stop hustle and mind for me youth and me don't want another boy mind for me youth. So juggle and me give them face a rasta man.
Put coconut water. Put for your granny and your daughter.
Oh.
This is not head nor brother. We come out, we come slaughter, and the people we are going to kill.
Oh yeah, alright.
You see.
Ever bless.
Never stress.
Let's see.
The entrepreneurs is in the street. The entrepreneurs is out. Free them, don't free them, mommy, don't free them. No, when them are free you. See you there. Some people. One jelly man in the town. Some people, when you come in the KFC Plaza, what they pass in here?
Yeah man, KFC Plaza, right down to War Square, you see?
Yeah man. So if you reach a War Square, you pass the jelly man. So just turn back and check him out because you have them hot and you have them cold. You have them in a ox and you have them in a buckle. See it? So the fridge, him turn off the fridge with people, them get too cold.
Them say too cold, so I have to plug it out.
Oh yeah man, plug it out. Alright, see you later.
Yeah.
So you think come there. My people, thank you so much for your continued support to Everblessed Travels. My people, I've shown you bits and pieces of Maypen in and around the town center of Maypen, my people. Thank you so much for joining in with me. Consider like, share and subscribe to my channel. My people, this video will come to an end. Everblessed is saying so long, and I will see you on the next journey, my next video. Bye bye, my people.